Well, hello and good morning. This is Diver Dave's Social Distancing Omelette Series number 19. Today we are going to make a interesting omelet using Supreme Brie Cheese, Applegate's bacon, some chopped up turkey breast, sun-dried tomatoes, 2 jumbo eggs, a tablespoon of butter, and today's secret ingredient, bacon fat. Bacon fat. I cook my bacon in the oven for about 20 minutes at about 475, and I collect all the grease at the end. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to saute the turkey breast with the sun-dried tomatoes with a little bit of bacon fat, just to give it a little extra flavor. I'm going to make a standard omelet with butter and then layer it all together with the Brie cheese. Well, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is heat up the frying pan and melt the about an average tablespoon size of bacon fat. When the bacon fat is completely rendered to liquid, then I will add the sun-dried tomatoes and turkey breast. Okay, while the bacon fat is rendering, I'm going to crack the eggs. And set them off to the side. So now the bacon fat is completely rendered, as you see. I'm going to take the sun-dried tomatoes and the turkey breast and just brown both of them a little bit in the bacon fat. This will add flavor and just overall goodness to the dish. So now we have that going. We're going to melt the butter. This is the last of the Plugra butter. So we'll melt that and start to coat this pan. It won't take that long for the turkey breast to heat up. Just really getting a lot of flavor between the sun-dried tomatoes and the bacon fat. So you can see it's got a nice light brown coating. So I'm just going to take this lovely turkey breast and sun-dried tomatoes and put it in a plate and put it off to the side and wait for the omelet pancake to be constructed so I can put all this goodness inside today's omelette du fromage. I don't know turkey or sun-dried tomato in French, I'm sorry. Okay, the butter has nicely melted. And I will now slowly beat the butter into the eggs. go, nice and frothy. Get the spatula, and let's get this into the pan. Okay, we got all that in there. Now let's dome it up. Okay, let's check the omelet. She's looking good. Got to give it a little flip of the pancake. Nice. Okay, now we will immediately... She's gonna be a big one today, guys. I can tell. We have the mixture. What I did is cover the bacon with the brie. Makes it easier to get it into the pan rather than sitting there and trying to force my way in. So there you have the bacon, brie, sun-dried tomatoes. And we're just going to try to close her up. She's stuffed full today. Dome her up again and let's wait a few more minutes. Let's see how the omelet is looking. Oh, does she look pretty? Ooh la la. The omelet is nice. Let's plate her up. I can't wait for Amazon to deliver my new spatula. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it, people. A beautiful turkey, bacon, brie, and sun-dried tomato omelet. I know what I'm having for breakfast. Hope you're enjoying yours.